Thanks for clicking today's video. I'm going to be changing the fuel filter on my Fiesta ST. I thought I'd start off with an unboxing. Everybody likes an unboxing, don't they? That's if I can actually get it open. 1 second, I'll clip back to it when I've actually got the box open because it's too hard to record with the camera. Wow, a box within a box. I wonder what's in this box. Is there another box to unbox me box to get my fuel filter out? No. As you can see, it's nothing special. It's literally just a filter. It filters your fuel. Obviously helps with stock blocking your injectors and everything up, which I don't even know the last time it would have been changed. I haven't changed it since I've had the car, and that must have been over 2 years, coming up on 3 years now, so it's long overdue. I'll show you the part number in case you need it as well. This is for the man air filter. It's really easy to get to. You could do it without even lifting the car up. Actually, you can actually just put your head under if your car hasn't been lowered. It's just there, just right there, just in front of the fuel tank. Dead easy to get to. But before I get into even thinking about changing the fuel filter, I really want to go get the car cleaned. All brake dust stuck on the wheels and all marks on the car and everything. You can probably hear that exhaust rattle. It's nothing to be worried about. It's just the heat shield rubbing on the exhaust. Dead easy fix. Just can't be bothered to do it yet. Thought I'd treat myself and try and get one of the best ones, get the wax finish, try and protect somewhat of the paint that's left on it, on the car. And before you say it, I already know that this is probably going to ruin my paintwork, but my paintwork's already ruined. And I haven't been in one of these since I was a kid. Got nothing better to do, so I thought, why not? One thing worth mentioning is my window doesn't shut fully on the passenger side, so a little bit of water's actually got in. I'm actually worried about this thing in front of me. Is it going to move up or is it going to move down? It says it's going to move automatically, but will it? And it's getting really close. It's practically on the windscreen. Yeah, it's moving very jankily. Doesn't look very stable or safe. I feel like I'm going through a children's playpen. All these things swirling around me. they don't do very much, but the shine looks good. You can actually see a reflection, but still loads of brake dust left, so it didn't do its job properly. Yeah, them scratches were there beforehand as well, don't worry about that. I'm going to attempt to change the fuel filter now. Hopefully we can get covered in petrol. I thought I'd show you this. I was underneath the car about to do the fuel filter and I was thinking, what the hell is that noise? It sounds like air getting out or gases escaping. It's like the rust off, it's all the foam off the car wash. I've just changed my fuel filter. Yeah. Really easy. All you do is push these two little tabs in. It's got two tabs either side. You push them in and it's the same the other side. But wear safety goggles. Learn from my mistake. I got petrol in my eye and I had to go and wash my eye out for about 5 minutes. Wasn't nice. It still stings. Now it's red. All I'm going to do in here is just putting all the pipes back where they originally was and securing them all. Sorry for the terrible camera angles. I'm new to all of this type of recording stuff. But bear with me. I've just changed the fuel filter. I'm just priming it a few times just to let the pressure build up again. And get all the fuel through the thing so it doesn't run out of fuel. Or starve of fuel. Success! Now let's go and see if I've got any fuel leaks. Hopefully not, like, I really hope not. Moment of truth. No. No fuel leaks, that's good. I'm just going to switch the car off and that's a job well done. Time to sit down and catch up on my car stuff. I recently got into these BOFI racing, or Boffy racing I think they call themselves. It's definitely worth a watch. The quality of... Gotta watch them now, but clearly I've watched everything. Thanks for watching. If you want more, subscribe, and if you like the video, just leave a like. If there's anything else you want me to do or anything, just leave a comment down below. Thanks. Bye.